Stop stressing about sharing your Wix website. I'm gonna show you how to quickly turn it into a PDF. First, navigate to the live version of the Wix website you want to convert. Make sure you're viewing the page exactly as you want it to appear in your PDF. Next, right-click anywhere on the web page and select the print option from the context menu. A print preview window will pop up. In the print destination drop-down, choose Save as PDF. If you don't see this option, ensure you have a PDF printer driver installed on your computer, such as Microsoft Print to PDF or Adobe PDF. Now, customize your PDF settings. Under More Settings, adjust the paper size to your preference, like letter or A4. Also, ensure background graphics is checked to include all the images and colors from your website. Finally, click the Save button, choose a location on your computer to save your PDF, give it a name, and hit Save again. And that's it. Your Wix website is now a PDF.